welcome to my channel. It's Just Travels, and in this video I am taking you with me to my trip to Seville, Spain. Seville, Spain is known for its warm weather, oranges, architecture, and flamenco. One thing I learned from a tour guide who is also a flamenco dancer is that going to a place where you pay for dinner and a drink to watch a flamenco show is not the place. So I do recommend you to come to La Carboneria. It is free entry. You just have to buy a drink at the bar and you can watch a flamenco show. They have 3 shows in the evening, so I highly recommend. Something else you'll see throughout Seville is orange trees. The city is filled with them, and it's so beautiful to see when the weather is nice and they are blooming. While exploring the city, I walked by the cathedral and also entered this history museum. It was free to enter. After exploring the cathedral and history museum, me and my friend went on a walk towards Plaza de España. One of the nice things about Seville is that you can find a flamenco show in parks in certain areas around town, and we just so happened to come across one during our walk. Walking is such a great way to explore not just cities that you live in, but cities when you're traveling. And this is another spot we came across. This is the Royal Tobacco Factory. It's no longer a tobacco factory, it is now a university, but you can walk inside and explore. Okay, about 20 to 30 minutes later, we made it to Plaza de España. This place is so beautiful. We came here basically every day. The weather was nice, the sun was shining. There's a little river, a lake where you can get on a boat and just boat around the plaza. There is a second floor that has a beautiful balcony where you can take tons of photos. There are 2 bridges where you can take photos, a big little courtyard in the middle where they have horses that you can get on and go for a ride. This place is lovely. The plaza also has benches with mosaics to represent all of the 52 provinces in Spain. last thing I went to see was this palace in Seville. I was able to get in for free because I went on a Monday, so I would check palaces and locations before traveling around Spain, because some places you have free hours. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next adventure.